Okay, we are now in for the night. I did my house. Canned diet. Couldn't find anything else. For other things. Okay. Charge percent. Actually, I didn't do that. Okay, so go ahead and turn your tether